Hi, this is Rachana here. Welcome back to the Tuesday Nutrition Nugget by the Good Tiffin. Today we are going to discuss why fiber is so important in our diet. Our doctors, our dieticians, they all ask us to eat fiber-rich food. Why is it so important? Why is it so underutilized and underestimated in our diets? So fiber goes far beyond just solving your constipation issues. It has larger implications. It can prevent type 2 diabetes, colon cancer, and so on and so forth. So let's explore fiber. There are two types of fiber, soluble fibers and insoluble fibers. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool. It attracts water and softens your stools and help you keep your bowels regular and clean. So this takes care of your constipation issue and constipation related problems like piles, colon cancer, etc. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to make a gel-like substance which slows down your digestion and it prevents sudden blood sugar spikes. So it is beneficial for diabetics. This fiber also helps you reduce blood cholesterol, especially LDL. Basically, it restricts absorption of cholesterol into the bloodstream and it also restricts production of the same in your liver. So it's very beneficial if you have hyperlipidemia, that means you have cholesterol issues. Fiber also helps you regulating your body's satiating signals, meaning telling you when you're full. This helps in maintaining healthy body weight because you don't tend to overeat, and it may also help you on your weight loss journey. According to some researchers, fiber also helps you in controlling your hypertension and it is heart healthy. So you've seen that fiber goes way beyond just solving your constipation problem. It has larger implications and it has many benefits. So what is fiber? Fiber at the end of the day is your complex carbs. Your whole grains, leafy vegetables, fruits, whole pulses, they're all very fiber rich. So do not shy away from these foods. Do not shy away from all the carbs. Make sure you have enough carbs on your plate to take advantage of the fiber. Of lately, I have not been able to shoot my recipe videos because I have hip injury and some shoulder injury, and I'm hoping that I will recover soon and come back with some more interesting recipes. But till then, I will see you every Tuesday with interesting nutrition facts. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.